Do you guys hear that? It's like a built-in anti-theft system. Pretty sure they have a macaw. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Destroy Great Productions with another video. And I cannot believe this right here. This is the craziest thing in, you know, the end of January, almost February. And it's not going to stay like this all weekend, so I'm capitalizing on it. Getting Artemis looking her best, her Kanye best. And, you know, we're going to get right into this video. So I'm basically going to show you guys, give you guys a little hint of a modification that I'm going to be doing to Artemis this weekend. And it is something that I've wanted to do since I got the car. I just couldn't really find the place or time to do it. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into the video, show you guys Artemis and how clean she is with that ceramic coating. And let's get right into it right now. Let's go. Before we do, tell me why they still got this sad pumpkin out right now. It's almost February. I'm pretty sure this thing is making its own civilization on top of it at the moment. So yeah, little fun fact: you should probably take your pumpkin and get rid of it right after Halloween. Dude, this thing is freaking out. Come on, bro, I'm trying to make a video. All right, let's use my Tijuana remote. Start this car up. Sound. The deep aggressiveness in this is just, it sounds amazing. It's not too overbearing, not too quiet. Sounds great. I love it. I do need to still get something done about the ride height, so I don't really know what I want to do, to be honest, whether I want to coil over it, bag it, or just chop it down on some springs. The only issue is the driveway, because the driveway, it really does slant quite a bit coming out of here. I mean, as you guys can see, there's not much room down there for error. So I'd have to come out of my driveway at an angle, and my girlfriend's usually parked on the left-hand side. So, yeah, I don't know. I think I need to get bags, I'm not sure, but leave your comments down below with what you guys think I should do. Alright, thought I'd just show you guys the new setup here. Got a badass seat here, super comfortable. Super comfortable. I need to change this floor mat here and clean some of this stuff up. But yeah, I need to get a new, I think I'm going to get like a clear or a white, you know, little rolly thing so that I don't get caught up like that wheel is right there. Totally getting caught up. But yeah, let's start this thing. GTX 1080, 32 gigabytes of RAM, Ryzen 1700 in there. I want to get the 2700, but I haven't gotten it yet. And I need to get some more fans here that show some RGB. But yeah, I'm going to be changing that out for an 850 watt power PSU. And I'm going to get some white cables here too so that I can make this thing look a lot better. Cable management kind of sucks on this thing, kind of winged it and put it together. But yeah, that's my PC setup here, and then I'm rocking dual monitors. That is actually a TV. And that is a gaming monitor, but it's kind of old. So next thing is upgrading the PC or PSU in there, and then getting a gaming monitor for some of the live streams that I'm going to do on Twitch. So yeah, if anybody is interested in a chair, definitely get this one. It's on Amazon right now, and I think it's like $89 on sale from like $170. Super comfortable chair. Love it. You can, hold on, let me get this right. So you can go down, come all the way up, and then you can actually, and now you're just chilling. So yeah, pretty cool. I love it. It's a lot of fun. And you're not going to fall over. So yes, I can do this. PewDiePie reference. Can you do this? Yes, I can. And it was way less than $3.99. All right, so we're going to get into the moral of what this video is based around. And this is what it has to do with. Excuse the mess. Definitely need to clean that up. But yeah, this right here is what it has to do with. And this is actually a Mopar parts box. Anybody want to pause the video and guess what is inside this box right now? Go right ahead. It has to do with part of the modification process that I'm doing this weekend. So yeah, took 4 days off. And it's going to be in the shop for about 3 days, give or take. Picking it up on Monday, dropping it off on Friday. So, yeah, fun stuff. Yeah, we're going to use about a 50-year-old pocket knife here, Swiss Army knife, and we're going to open this bad boy up here. And show you guys what is in the contents of this box. If I can use my knife properly here. That should do the trick. All right, can you guess what it is? Can you now guess what it is? What about now? All right, I'll stop messing with you guys. Bam! There she is. There she is. Let's try not to break any tabs because that's why I bought this. OEM headlight. Gonna get this all cleaned up. This is a little bit of a, a hint onto what is going on this weekend. So leave your comments down below what you think is going on. And if you guys have been following this channel for quite some time, you will probably know exactly what's going on. So yeah, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Back in the box you go. Actually, I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to use my last little bit of Adams Polish's glass cleaner here. I'm really almost out. Need to stock back up. And I'm going to use the waterless wash towel here from Adams Polish's. Does really good on a lot of different surfaces. So I'm just going to clean this thing up real quick. And in case you guys were wondering and you were like, well, why did you need another headlight? Looks like yours works just fine. Well, let me show you guys why. I'm going to take this off real quick. And I'm going to show you guys what the reasoning was that I bought a new headlight, because something was done terribly wrong when my car was fixed that this covered and I didn't really get the chance to inspect. All right, so now that we have that piece off, we can expose the headlight and see that this is a no-go. They literally mounted up a bracket here because it was broken, so they just kind of, rigged it up. And as you can see right here, this is how it's supposed to look. That's what they did. This is how it's supposed to look. That's what they did. What the actual fuck, guys? Come on. So yeah, I got the new headlight here and it is all cleaned up, ready to go. Got the little tab out here, so hey, we can see everything. Just like that right there. Got it out. I'm going to put those in and it's going to look awesome. So yeah, guys, let's head upstairs, shall we? So I definitely have a few ideas for commentary videos that I'm going to be putting out in the near future. So stay tuned for those, as well as automotive stuff on the channel. So obviously I've got a modification that I'm doing this weekend, which I'm super stoked about. It's something that I've wanted on the channel for quite some time. Just haven't gotten around to doing it. Haven't gotten around to, being able to do this modification because either time hasn't permitted, because it is a 3 or 4 day job, and just finding the right shop to be able to do it. Hopefully I can work something out with them where they'll talk about the modification and the install process and maybe, go over a few things so that I can post it on the channel and maybe get them a little more exposure for their shop. They said that they're super busy, but I mean, every shop wants more exposure. So yeah, Little OCD kicked in. I needed to put those up anyway, so I went ahead and did that real quick. And just so you guys know, actually I have a Blue Yeti microphone coming. It's going to be kind of extending up and over one of the monitors here, so the quality of audio is going to be way better. I'm not going to be using my phone microphone anymore. It's going to be a big extension boom arm that's going to come over here with a pop filter, and everything is just going to sound way more professional. And I'm just going to keep, upping the quality of everything on this channel. New camera, new microphone, everything. It's all coming, and I promise you guys you're going to get the best quality content that you guys can with production. And I'm also going to be upgrading my editing software. So I'm going to be learning the ins and outs of how to make better edited videos for you guys and just have lots of fun. Other than that, guys, I did a community post where it is stating whether I should do something about talking about another YouTuber or whether I should do an automotive thing. The majority, well, it was pretty close. It was like probably 47, 53%. So I'm going to mix it. I'm going to do some videos where I mix talking about somebody and automotive stuff. I'm going to talk about stuff, do some news, do some drama, do whatever, whatever I can think of at the time is going to come out of my face into your brain and ears for your listening, viewing pleasure. And if you guys like it, I want you to let me know. If you guys don't like it, I also want you to let me know. Just remember, guys, that the racist comments aren't going to fly on this channel. I'm not about that. I'm not about people calling anybody any sort of, derogatory names. So please leave that out of your vocabulary if you're going to come on my channel spewing your hate, and I won't have to block you guys. So keep that in mind, and I will see you guys in the next video, guys. Thank you for checking out this video and, sticking through this, and look forward to what's coming in the future. 2019 should be a great year for this channel and for all of you guys. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, leave a like, leave a dislike, subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoy the content on this channel. I've got a lot of videos that you guys can browse through the library and check out. So that's all I got for you guys. Bye.